My name is Robin Gingrich, and I'm the chair of the English department here at LCC. If you love words, stories, languages, and people, this major is definitely for you. With an English degree, there are so many opportunities, both in Lithuania and around the world. You can become a teacher, an author, a translator, or an interpreter. You can work in advertising or communication, almost anything that involves words and people. Our alumni are very successful. Some have jobs in schools as teachers, some are translators or interpreters, some work in NGOs, and others work in human resources. Other alumni are enrolled in PhD programs in studies like literature or cultural studies.
Hi, my name is Edya, and I'm an English major at LCC. This semester, I'm doing my practicum with the Student Success Center. As English majors, we have a wide selection of careers we can pursue after graduating. Some students continue their higher education, some students become copy editors, writers, or even teachers. When I graduate LCC, I'd like to pursue my education in educational management.